Look what UPS brought me today. Holy mackerel. You know, this thing is bigger than I thought it was. And it's hard to tell when something that big. You can't really tell, but I'm going to take those wheels off by understanding that they're not, doesn't work going through grass. I'm going to go to Harbor Freight and pick up some 4-inch and put them in there. I was going to do an unboxing, but really, it wasn't that hard. Pretty simple, really. I was surprised. But we're staying warm over here. Yeah, buddy. That's what it looks like. I think I see somebody peeking at me. I better come check and see if somebody's peeking on me. There is a peeking. There's the Ziffy dog. He's just sitting there, guy. I go, what are you doing, Dad? What the hell are you doing? Playing with those toys again. So, I'm going to bring it back when I put different washers on it. Haven't tried it yet. Haven't got the chance. I'm sure we'll get a chance today sometime. Doesn't look like it's raining too bad. FreshPark. There's the stuff if you need to know where to get one, how to get it. It only took like 3 or 4 days to get here. I got here 2 days earlier than I thought it was going to. Actually, it was quite early. I think that's gonna do it. That's pretty cool. I can't wait. Uh-oh. Here comes the butthead. Yeah. Hey, gotta see. What are we doing, Dad? Don't get next to the fire. Yeah, you look at it pretty weird looking, huh? Yeah. That's a fire. That's an owie. That's an owie. That's an owie. Okay. Well, don't need to make a very long video of this. I might do a... Oh, well, thank you. You got to get your 2 cents in too? Well, yeah, but the bolts had to go that way. They had to. They couldn't go the other way. Yeah. I'm telling you, that's the way it has to go, Zeus. Well, I know, but we'll go for a walk in a little bit. We're making a video right now, okay? Yeah, we're making one of those videos. Yeah, well, this is going to wrap this up, I think. It kind of stayed nice and warm in here on this drizzly day. Well, actually, it only rained just once last night. Anyway, that's what it's going to be. FreshPark. I guess I've heard some videos, people saying that it's a really good jump and everything is great, but everybody's justifying how much it is. It's too much. I think they could have got it cheaper, but it is what it is. And I got myself a good jump now and portable. So my videos are going to be different places all the time. That was the whole idea. I was going to be a traveling RC guy, go around the states and finding different places to bash at. So anyway, I guess that's gonna do it. You have yourself a terrific day. Most importantly, have fun. K2518, we gone. Bye. Places to bash at. So anyway, I guess that's gonna do it. You have yourself a terrific day. Most importantly, have fun. K2518, we gone. Bye. Well, there it is. Put away. All nice. I think that is really handy. Have it sitting in the garage, out of the way, holding up to a nice little triangle, except for this little part here, but that's good. I haven't got to jump it yet. I haven't got to try it. Tomorrow will be the big day. But I'm thinking I'm gonna like this. Well, there it is. Put away. All nice. I think that is really handy. Have it sitting in the garage, out of the way, holding up to a nice little triangle, except for this little part here, but that's good. I haven't got to jump it yet. I haven't got to try it. Tomorrow will be the big day. But I'm thinking